So this is the DUT 130 from Makita. It's a brushless paddle mixer, 18 volt, variable speed by the trigger, lock off button on the top of the machine, elastoplaster handle for a soft grip and to keep your hands nice and warm and dry. Variable speed done by the trigger, and then you also have a speed switch which is geared 1 and 2. So this machine is capable from going 0 to 1,300 RPMs. It's depending on what you're mixing. Side handle on the machine can be moved to the left or the right, as well as the cover that is on the front. So the cover itself is protecting the machine's internal parts from getting any of the material that you're mixing into the machine, which will then seize it up or damage it. So that protects that at the front end. And then at the back we have a large battery cover which opens up, which you slide your Makita battery into, close it up, and then that will stop any of the material getting up into the battery as well and damaging that in any way. So that is the DUT 130 paddle mixer. The machine itself I have in front of me here. As you can see, nice ergonomical designed handle at the back, can be used as a normal grip or with the T handle for hard to reach spots. Variable speed by the trigger as well as the dial on the top. Has a lock-on function for in use in hard to reach places, and there is also a lock-off function for when it's in transport so that nothing gets touched or turned on when in transit. 18 volt battery slides onto the back of the machine. Dust port at the bottom of the machine as well to take away your dust, and which is also done by the AWS Bluetooth system that's fitted to this machine. As we move up, we have a temperature gauge on the top which will indicate if the machine is starting to overheat after a long period of use or if you're pushing down too hard on it. And all you'll have to do is release off to ease the pressure and the light will go back out. As we go up to the top of the machine, you can see here there's a nice collet there which is done for adjusting the sizes of the machine and extending. Dust extraction at the top, and its multi-pivotal head at the top as well, so it can go into multiple angles, ceilings, floors or walls. There's also two guide wheels on one side of the head which will guide up and down into the corners of the room or the corners in the top of the room. And the disc diameter itself is 225mm in diameter. The pad that's on there is 210, but the discs themselves are 225. There is some accessories available as well. The extension pole, so the machine itself will extend from 1.1 to 1.5 on its own, done by the collet, or with the extension bar will go up to 2.1 overall length with that on. And then all of this as well will come in a large LXT Makita bag which will fit all your machines in and your accessories. So we're just going to tell you a little bit more about the DSL 800 and the DVC 864. So this is the brushless AWS technology. Both machines 18 volt brushless. The vacuum is a twin 18 volt brushless machine and runs the Bluetooth chip. The machine is a single 18 volt brushless AWS chip. Together, compatibility, they connect, talk to each other, and will automatically turn the vacuum on and off when using this machine for dust extraction.